Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a natural way to achieve youthful, glowing skin, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to make a simple yet effective cream using common kitchen ingredients. This cream is perfect for reducing wrinkles, evening out skin tone, and giving your skin a radiant glow. So let's get started. The combination of banana peel and cornstarch can significantly enhance your youthful appearance, irrespective of your age. The combination of banana peel and cornstarch is a powerful remedy to help reduce wrinkles and achieve radiant skin. To begin preparing this effective cream, our first essential ingredient is a banana peel, which contains a high percentage of collagen. Cut the banana peel into small slices. Banana peels are packed with antioxidants and vitamins A, B, C, and E. These nutrients help fight wrinkles, moisturize the skin, and promote a healthy glow. Benefits: helps reduce fine lines and brightens the complexion. Cut the banana peel into small slices. The next essential ingredient we need is rice. Take 1 tablespoon of rice wash properly with water to remove dirt. Rice is known for its anti-aging properties and its ability to brighten and even out the skin tone, reduces dark spots and helps in achieving a smooth, youthful complexion. Place the banana peel and the washed rice into a saucepan. Add 1 cup of water in this. Place the saucepan on low heat. Allow the ingredients to simmer gently over low heat. Once the ingredients have boiled, allow them to cool. Transfer the mixture to a blender and blend until smooth. You may strain the mixture to remove any residue for a smoother consistency. Please let me know which country you're watching this video from. If you enjoyed the content, I would greatly appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel. Your support truly means the world to me. Next, add cornstarch. Cornstarch acts as a natural exfoliant and thickening agent, giving the cream a smooth, silky texture, tightens the skin and provides a flawless, matte finish. Add 1 spoonful of cornstarch and mix it well. Next, we need lemon. High in vitamin C, lemon juice boosts collagen production and helps lighten dark spots, improves skin texture, fades pigmentation, and brightens the skin. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the bowl and stir until you have a smooth, creamy consistency. Add tablespoon of milk powder, mix it well. Milk powder contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and moisturizes the skin. Benefits: softens the skin, giving it a radiant and smooth appearance. Store any remaining cream in a clean, airtight container. For optimal freshness, keep the container refrigerated. How to apply this cream. Cleanse your face, apply the cream evenly to your face and neck, massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes, leave it on for 20-30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water, pat dry and finish with a moisturizer. Consistency is essential. Apply this cream twice a week for best results. This formulation effectively diminishes fine lines and wrinkles, enhances skin radiance, evens skin tone by addressing dark spots and pigmentation, and provides deep hydration for a soft, supple, and smooth complexion. Thank you for watching. Remember, natural ingredients can do wonders for your skin. Stay tuned for more DIY beauty recipes, and we'll see you in the next video.